How to order and pay on the Temu website. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can order and pay on the Temu website. First of all, launch open any web browser and head over to temu.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to browse for items. Click the product you're interested in to see details. If you want to buy it, click on the Add to Cart option. Once you're done shopping, click the cart icon and review all the items. Deselect or remove anything you don't want included. Once you're happy, select the products you want to check out and then click the checkout option. Fill in your full delivery address, double check it for accuracy, then click continue to payment. Now choose your payment method. You can pay using debit or credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Afterpay or Klarna. Enter the required details. If you have coupon codes, the best coupon is auto applied. If you have any unused coupon, enter it manually. Now click on the submit option, wait for confirmation, and your order is now placed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.